Hello everyone, I am Rakshay. I study in the Orchid Sarjapur Road branch, and our project idea is a metal detecting RC car. So our team members are Siddharth, Abhijay, Noah, Pranav and Kyam.
Hello everyone, my name is Pranav and the materials required for our project are motors, lithium-ion batteries, jumper wires, ESP32 cam modules, servo motors, solar panels, Arduino Unos, wheels, car faces, motor driver, metal detecting sensors and ultrasonic sensors.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhijay and I am a team member. So the software used for coding is Arduino IDE. It is an open source program. It connects with the Arduino boards to upload programs and communicate with them. Arduino uses C++ as its coding format. Arduino has a simple, clear environment and is easy to use.
Hello everyone, I am Siddharth and I am the team leader of the team. So, I'm going to explain the project overview. Idea: a solar powered remote control car which acts as a metal detector so that we can directly control the car without any physical connections. And then, the key features of the metal detecting are controlled by an Arduino Uno, the microchip. So the microchip sends a connection to every single board and then it responds to the motors. And then we even use the capability to cam module, which uses the live stream of the video. So now if you have to see the metal, then we can use it. And then we have used the ultrasonic sensor so that we can understand how much far is the object from us. And then this setup uses a versatile tool for army and archaeological sources. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Noah. So I am here to present the problem statement. The problem with the current day metal detecting sensors are they lack efficiency, mobility and sustainability. All of them are either electrically powered, which have to use fossil fuels, and there is a lot of fossil energy which is bad for our environment and is not thus sustainable to source metals. And mobility is also a problem. Normal metal detecting sensors need someone with their hand to personally search the area. But however, the solution is an arm of metal detecting sensor. Our project offers a solar powered, remote controlled metal detecting sensor. So for example, the normal metal detecting sensor which is available in the market today are held to be by your hand and need to be scanned with a person accompanying it, which is tedious with the person, plus it is electrically operated and cannot be operated by solar panels. However, our project is totally 100% solar panel. The solar panels power the battery which power our project, and it's completely remote control. The person does not need to interfere and should only give commands through Bluetooth mobile phone. And this project is also eco-friendly and is available. Our project is very eco-friendly. It is good for the environment as we are using solar energy. This project is also made at a nominal cost to make sure that it can be easily implemented in the market of 30,000 rupees. Thank you.
Future development. First, depth reading sensor. So depth reading sensors allow us to understand how depth is a metallic object. Advanced terrain adaptation. As per the project, it can only go on normal weather. But if we check the staircase and the wheels, then it can also be suitable for the rocky weather. Next, real-time data analysis. So the real-time data analysis will let us know the GPS of the car and what are the sensor details.
Autonomous navigation. So this will enable a robot to navigate by itself without any human interaction. Underwater capabilities. This will enable a robot to go underwater and find some more objects.
Already available and implemented in the market, and the one what we are building. A normal metal detecting sensor which we have to hold with our hand and which requires human interference to scan the whole area is a very tedious task. Plus, the metal detector costs around 13,000. Plus, you need to charge the metal detecting sensor to operate it. The metal detecting sensor available in the market also doesn't give us a good feedback. It also needs someone to operate it. It needs electrical energy. So if we add the cost of electrical energy used to charge it, that's another 2,000 rupees. So in total, a metal detecting sensor available in the market comes to around 15,000-20,000 rupees in that range. Now, let's talk about what we are building. I will go detail by detail. Let's come to the materials used. The material we used are the motor is 300 rupees, the lithium-ion battery is 120 rupees, jumper wires are 200 rupees, the ESP32 cam module costs around 1000 rupees, Servo motor costs around 300 rupees, solar panel costs around 200 rupees. Whereas the Arduino Uno costs around 1000 rupees, wheels cost another 200 rupees, ultrasonic sensors and metal detecting sensors combined cost 3300 rupees, car chassis cost 3000 rupees and motor driver cost 200 rupees. So now let's come to the total cost, which will all come around to 6,000 rupees, including the solar panel will come to 7,000 rupees. Now the net savings here is almost around 8,000 rupees because our project is totally dependent on solar energy and we don't need money for solar energy, it's available already. The solar panel will charge the battery and through that the whole project will work and execute. So coming to the conclusion, our metal detecting sensor is cheap, efficient and more environmentally sustainable compared to the ones available in the market.